So coming up in today's video, I am going to show you how I went from this to this scene. Into Kinemaster, I am going to start a brand new project. Okay, so I am going to click the plus button to start editing a brand new project. I am going to select 16.9 because that's the size I normally do for a YouTube video. So now I need to select the videos from the media browser that I need for this video. So I am going to choose 1, 2. Okay, and what I am going to do is I am going to go into my downloads and I am going to select the video that I want. Okay, there's my video right there, snow video, and I am going to now select my green screen. Now this is a brand new thing that I noticed, that if my green screen isn't strong enough, this helps a whole lot. Now you don't have to do this, but I realized that it helps a whole lot when I do this. Okay, so now we've got the green screen. You can't see it there, but it is present, guys. So what you need to do now is, this is where the magic begins. You now need to go into your camera and select that scene that you want to be in the snow video, okay? And what you can see here is you can see that this is the original video. These are my studio lighting, my green screen, everything is in the background. And so I need to crop this video to make it more realistic, to make it seem like I'm outside in the snow having a great time. Okay, so I need to make sure that my head is being shown and so on. So what I am going to do is I am going to go on Chrome key and I'm going to enable the Chrome key. I normally do 63 by 34. You can play around with the button until it is where you want it to be. And then you can also do your color filter, and I am going to choose warm W1. So this is warm 1. This is the filter I normally use for my videos. Okay, and there you go. I am on camera. You can make your image large, you can put it to the side, you can put it to the other side, but today I'm going to leave it in the middle. Okay, this scene. Okay, so if you notice, you would think that I am outside, the snow is falling, and you can add more videos for your snow video in here as well. Okay, so I am going to do another addition. Right. So guys, if you want to extend your scene a bit more and for it to look a bit more realistic, you can go on ahead and add another video to what you have so far. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add another video here. So I am going to go back into media. Then I'm going to go into my downloads. I'm going to here. I am going to be repeating the same process like I did before. So I am now going to go into layer. Then I am going to go into screenshots, and I am going to select the green screen. Even though I've got my own green screen in the video, this does help to bring up the color on the video. Okay, so I'm going to extend that green screen over the snow video, then use the Chrome key, and this will disappear like it's not even there. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same process. I am gonna go and select my video. I am now going to crop it and get rid of the unnecessary items in the video and make it as realistic as possible. I am going to go and select my filter, which is warmth, which is one of my favorites. And now I am gonna bring it much closer to the screen so you guys can see that is only a green background. I am going to enable the Chrome key, and normally I use 63 by 34. You can use anyone that you think you like. Just mess about until you get it how you want it to be. Okay, so guys, I am just dancing around, and this is exactly what I do when it's cold outside. I blow on my hands, I dance around, I try to keep warm as I possibly can. So now I need to extend the green screen a bit more because the video, as you can see, is a longer video than the one before, and I have just extended it. I've added another 2 more scenes from the snow video. So carry on extending the green screen until you reach the end of your video. You can stop it there, and then you play that video, and you will see that the scene is basically very clear and precise, and it seems as if I am actually outside in the snow, very cold, and it's definitely look like winter time here. So guys, if you've got any questions or queries, please leave it in the comment box below. Also, this is how I edit using Kinemaster. So if you want me to do any more tutorial in the future on Kinemaster and editing, please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.